Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. And beyond the gorgeous curb appeal at this Colonial here in 46 Bangor Street is a beautifully updated and turnkey home. We've got gorgeous hardwoods that go throughout both the first and second floor. Here in the first floor we've got a front to back living room with a nice porch off the back that leads to a beautiful composite deck out back. We also have a kitchen filled with stainless steel appliances that's adjacent to the dining room. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms, all with great closet space, and we've got one room that would be perfect for a nursery or a home office. Come on and follow me inside and let's go check out all my favorite features. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour inside. All it's waiting for is you. Nothing to do inside, and outside we've got plenty of storage space. We've got an oversized 1-car garage as well as a storage shed out back. You also notice the yard is nice, flat, and level, great for family gatherings or letting the kids enjoy some sunshine. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private tour with me, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for this nice of a home here in Springfield, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.